Okay, we're gonna make some cool and calm summer tea. I'm gonna harvest lemon balm. See how I harvest right here? Just above these two nodes, so that now those can grow. See? Okay, got some lemon balm. And here we've got some beautiful passionflower. Gonna harvest these, a couple of these leaves. Hello, passionflower. And then I come over here and the roses are blooming. Let's see. Let's get some roses. Ah, beautiful. Thank you, roses. Oh my God, you're so beautiful. I love you. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna put my rose petals in the basket, and we're gonna go inside. Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna process my herbs, just pull them apart. And when I'm using fresh herbs, so I've got my rose petals, now I've got my lemon balm, and when I'm using fresh herbs, I use about 1 to 2 tablespoons. So I've got my lemon balm, so what I'm doing is just taking the leaves from the stems. I'm just going to use the leaves. And so again, I'm just kind of breaking them up into small pieces. You could chop them too, but I don't know, I really like just working with the hands with my plant, working with the plants with my hands, because as I touch them, the oils go into my body already, and there's a healing that happens for me just working with the herbs with my hands. And this is when I kind of put my thoughts and say, may this be a good tea for us today. So far we've got rose petals and lemon balm, and both very cooling herbs. And then I've got some fresh passionflower leaf. Okay, soothing, very calming, relaxing, supportive to the nervous system. So I'm just breaking up this passionflower, and I didn't get quite as much passionflower. I got more lemon balm because I have more. Anyway, you get what you get. I was gonna say I like to use equal, I could use equal parts, but it ends up that's not what I harvested. But I got a little bit more lemon balm in this tea today, which is calming, relaxing. And so again, I like to use 1 to 2 tablespoons per cup of water in my tea with fresh, or when I use the fresh herbs. And so what I'm going to do is I have 4 cups of water today. I'm going to pour that water in. So I've got 4 cups of water, and 4 tablespoons makes about a 1/4 cup. So 8 tablespoons makes a 1/2 cup. So let's see. I'm going to go for 2 tablespoons of herb per cup of water. I've got a good 1/2 cup of fresh chopped herbs here, or lemon balm, passionflower, and rose petal. And I'm just going to put that into the water. Put the lid on, and I'll shake it, give it a good shake. Okay, and I'm actually just going to let this sit. Let it sit for about 4 hours. I'm not even going to heat it. It's a little too hot today. And I'll come back in a couple of hours and we'll have some tea. Okay, so after you let this sit You can let it sit 1, 2, 4 hours. You can let it sit for most of the day. And I come back, strain out the herbs. And you have yourself a nice cup of cooling summer tea. There you go.